Welcome to ShadowTalk Studio. This channel is created for learners who understand English but struggle to speak it confidently. If you feel nervous while speaking, make mistakes often, or translate in your head, this practice is for you. In this video, you will practice daily use English sentences that are simple, natural, and practical. Do not rush. Do not worry about grammar. Focus on sound, rhythm, and clarity. Speak aloud 2 times, even if your voice is low. Let's begin the practice together. ShadowTalk Studio. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I am getting ready for work. I am getting ready for work. I feel fresh this morning. I feel fresh this morning. What time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up today? I am feeling a little tired today. I am feeling a little tired today. I need some rest right now. I need some rest right now. Please give me a few minutes. Please give me a few minutes. I will do it later. I will do it later. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I am on my way. I am on my way. I will call you later. I will call you later. Please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. I will get back to you soon. I will get back to you soon. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? I am just relaxing at home. I am just relaxing at home. I am watching a video. I am watching a video. I am learning English daily. I am learning English daily. Practice makes you confident. Practice makes you confident. I am feeling hungry now. I am feeling hungry now. Let's eat something together. Let's eat something together. I like simple food. I like simple food. This tastes really good. This tastes really good. I am full now. I am full now. How was your day today? How was your day today? My day was quite good. My day was quite good. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. Today was a bit stressful. Today was a bit stressful. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. I am trying my best. I am trying my best. I don't want to give up. I don't want to give up. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Small steps matter a lot. Small steps matter a lot. Consistency is very important. Consistency is very important. I need more practice. I need more practice. I am improving slowly. I am improving slowly. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I am not perfect yet. I am not perfect yet. I will keep trying. I will keep trying. It's getting late now. It's getting late now. I should go to bed. I should go to bed. I feel sleepy now. I feel sleepy now. Good night and take care. Good night and take care. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. I agree with you. I agree with you. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. You have completed today's English speaking practice. Thank you so much. Even a small practice session helps your brain improve. Fluency grows with repetition, not perfection. Return to this video again and practice until the sentences feel natural. Thank you for practicing with ShadowTalk Studio. Keep going. Your English will improve.